If one does not have a living master, is it possible to experience the sound of the big bell and the sound current that pulls you up? Yes, you can. You could have had a master in your previous life. Supposing you had a perfect living master in your previous life, you did not complete your course, spiritual course, and are reborn, you are still ahead up to that point. And you can hear these sounds, you can hear the big bell, till you get reinitiated again. I don't want to talk about my experiences, but I want to tell you this. I was hearing the big bells when I was 4 years old. I was hearing lots of sounds till I got initiated. The day I got initiated, all sound stopped. People said sound starts when you get initiated. My sounds totally stopped after I got initiated. It took several years further. During the very years, I was the greatest skeptic, the great investigator, what is going on, and I couldn't have any sound. And then when I started all over again, the sounds came up again. So therefore, you can have, I've seen little children, they have their bell sound ringing right there. Not because they have no living master, because they had a living master in a previous life.